Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Zeeglobalvision Services. Today we have an incredibly exciting topic to delve into, Neuralink. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of brain-computer interfaces and diving deep into the revolutionary technology brought to us by Elon Musk's Neuralink Corporation. So, buckle up and get ready to witness the merging of minds and machines. Imagine a world where our thoughts can directly interface with technology, where we can control devices and access information using only the power of our minds. That world may not be too far away, thanks to Neuralink. Neuralink has set out an audacious mission to enhance human capabilities by creating a direct interface between our brains and computers. Led by a team of brilliant scientists and engineers, Neuralink has made groundbreaking advancements in the field of brain-computer interfaces. The brain-computer interface device developed by Neuralink is a tiny implant that contains an array of ultra-thin electrodes. These electrodes are implanted into the brain and are capable of both reading and stimulating neural activity. This bidirectional communication link between the brain and external devices holds immense potential. So, what are the potential applications of Neuralink? Let's explore a few mind-blowing possibilities. Neuralink has the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine. It could help individuals with neurological disorders regain lost functionality and improve their quality of life, from treating paralysis to alleviating the symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Neuralink's technology opens up new doors for medical breakthroughs. Imagine being able to enhance your cognitive abilities, such as memory, attention, and learning speed. Neuralink could offer a pathway to unlock our brain's full potential, enabling us to augment our mental capacities and push the boundaries of human intelligence.
Well, viewers, if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe now.
Neuralink's technology could enable humans to seamlessly collaborate with machines. By directly interfacing our brains with computers, we could enhance our capabilities and work in perfect synergy with artificial intelligence. This could revolutionize fields like robotics, virtual reality, and even space exploration. While the possibilities presented by Neuralink are awe-inspiring, it's important to address some concerns that arise with the technology. As we venture into the realm of brain-computer interfaces, we must carefully navigate ethical considerations. Questions of privacy, consent, and potential misuse of this technology need to be addressed to ensure its responsible and beneficial implementation. It's crucial to ensure that access to Neuralink's technology is available to all, regardless of socioeconomic status. Efforts should be made to prevent a potential divide between those who can afford enhancements and those who cannot. Equality and inclusivity should remain at the forefront of its development. Neuralink is pushing the boundaries of what was once thought to be science fiction, opening up a world of possibilities for human augmentation and advancement. As we continue to explore the potential of this groundbreaking technology, let's remember the importance of responsible development and ensuring that it benefits humanity as a whole. That wraps up our exploration of Neuralink and the incredible future it holds. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, keep exploring the frontiers of technology and the mind.